How to animate in Canva. Let's get into it. Start by setting up your project with the elements that you want to animate. Then click onto one of your elements, then come up to the animate button. This is going to bring you into the animation menu, and here you'll see a bunch of different presets that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, I want to go for pop for this light bulb. All you have to do is click into the animation effect, and here you can customize settings. So you can choose to animate both the in and the out of this element, either just the in or just the out. And here you can configure the speed. So if you want the animation to be slower, you'll bring this all the way down to the beginning. If you want it to be faster, you bring it all the way across to the end like so, or you can bring it in the middle if you want a middle ground. Once you're happy with your animation, you can just exit out of this. And now if we click the play button on here, we can see that our light bulb animates in there on our video. If you want to animate more than one thing, you can just click onto your next element. So in this example, we have this text here, then click on animate again. This will bring you into the exact same menu. Let's say, for example, I want to use a different animation, for example, like baseline. Let's click into this. As we can see there, that has taken effect on that text there. And here we have these same settings that we had for the light bulb. However, this time we have a different setting we can configure, which is the direction. For this example, I'm going to just leave it as up because I like this. If at any point you want to remove an animation from an element, you just have to click into the remove animation button and it will take the animation off. Now that we have both of those configured, I'm going to click out of this. Now if we play back our animation, we can see what we've created here. And that's all there is to it.